Alright, I'm gonna go over this video real quick just because I still have to journal and I wanna go to the gym. It's currently raining outside, so I'll probably do a run there. But I'm gonna tell you guys my bias, what I did wrong today, and how I caught 90 points though. So today, going into the day, I was kind of leaning more bearish. However, we do have all this low resistance up here. So I had a few conditions for the day. So, yeah, I mean, and now it's kind of pulling out. I think that we'll get possibly a retrace out of this 1 hour internal high. However, we are looking very bullish. So today, here, going into the market, what was I looking for? Well, we have this 30-minute internal high, 1 hour internal high, or this 15-minute gap to continue this downtrend that we are in. And we have sell side all the way over here. This is weekly sell side, daily sell side, 4 hour sell side, all this low resistance. And we are currently in this nice downtrend. So what am I thinking? Definitely taking shorts. However, we had all this low resistance here. So I had a few agreed upon draws on liquidity. I wanted maybe this low to get swept because we're technically inside this 15-minute gap, for that price to go higher and then maybe to go lower. Or I wanted this 15-minute fair value gap to hold to then go lower, or this 30-minute internal high to get hit and then go lower, or 1 hour internal high to get hit and then go lower. So what did we do off open? We ended up trading right into this 15-minute gap and getting displacement. However, why did I not take this right at open? Because ES had a ton of low resistance liquidity at your stop loss. So the market's going to go back up and take this. Then you get a small SMT at these highs. This is showing bearishness. It's showing that price wants to flip. You get this. NQ's already showing displacement. And then there's a 15-second gap that I took in here, right here, to this low for my low hanging fruit. So what did I do wrong? My account balance was at 52,950. So I was like, all right, let me sell real quick because we are in this strong downtrend to then get my profits back. And yeah, that's where you go wrong. That's how prop firms get you. You see this number and you're like, all right, let me do this. I knew what I was doing was wrong. I knew, hey, there's always tomorrow. $50 is nothing. That's just one of my trades, and that passed my first account. However, what I did wrong was I just sold here and price immediately reversed. I got out though pretty early, like around here, so I was still in profit, around like $200 today. However, you shouldn't be doing that. And then I lost my account right after because obviously I realized what I was doing was wrong, and that's how you blow your account. So today what I learned is that even if you have $50 left, there's still tomorrow. Like, it just makes it way easier for you to pass your account the next day on a Monday, where maybe price action will be worse. However, I need to keep in account that today's Friday. We are not probably going to get this huge move. Everyone has already made their profits for the week. But that being said, I think what I should try and do is to not look at the price of my account or just the price. Like, I should have take the trade, lock the account, then I can go in and look how much I made, what my account balance is at, etc. Like, then I feel like today I would have been way more happy with the win that I took than win that I took, and now I'm down to just $200 won on the day when I should be at the $500 that I made, which is what I risk. So not only does this mess me up in the long run, just because technically I didn't make my 1-to-1, I made like my 1 to 0.5, not even, because I'm taking stupid losses. Just because I got greedy and I was like, what if I could pass my first account today? That's all I was thinking about. Like, I need to pass my first account, but no, just A plus setup after A plus setup is how you're gonna make this work in the long run. That's what I've been doing, but again, you gotta be, you can't be greedy like that. You just have to say, hey, I realize what I'm doing. One more trade, de-risk, and yeah, all right. That's gonna be my little recap for today. What I did wrong, but how I got 90 points. Peace.